Saturday the 22nd of December, and I'm making an early start to go to see AFC play Wycombe Wanderers, where we will lose once again, without a doubt. Today, the first train I'm going to catch is the 8:43 Banbury train, which goes to Denham Golf Club, I should say, and then I'm going to end up at High Wycombe at 11:48. So join me on this adventure, and let's see what happens today. So the train just departing is going to Birmingham Snow Hill, and the one here, the one that's left with Banbury on the indicator code, is the 8:43, which I'm going to catch to Denham Golf Course, which is the first stop. Only has a train once an hour, I think, or once every couple of hours. And when I get to Denham Golf Course, I've got a 25-minute walk to get to Denham, otherwise I'd have to wait an hour for the next train. And I've got 32 minutes in which to do it, so let's see what happens. So I've arrived at Denham Golf Course. It's 9 o'clock. My next train leaves from Denham at 9:32. As I said, it's a 25-minute walk. There's a path along the side of the railway, so hopefully I should get there in time. The services here to Denham Golf Course are 1 hour on a Saturday after 8 o'clock. So I just see the train go. There we go, and I'll set off. But before I go, I'll just photograph these nice corrugated iron pagoda buildings. I guess that path there leads off to the golf club. And there's another one here. Down the bottom here, I wonder if this doubles up as a ticket office during the day. Doesn't indicate that it does, so. You see, I'm walking along the footpath. It's a proper decent footpath, not too muddy at the moment. From what I could see from the train, it didn't look too bad. So I should get to Denham about 25 past, and my train's at 32, take me to Gerrards Cross, and Denham station's quite big. As we went through it, have a look at the scenery. Spoke too soon about it not being muddy. In fact, it's now turned into a stream. Okay, 17 minutes past 9, and I'm just approaching the approach road, or walking up the approach road to Denham station. So plenty of time. So here's the Denham station, silhouetted against the sunrise. And here's the outside Denham station. Once I move out the sun, you should better see it a bit better. That's it. And no signage outside the station saying it's a Denham station. That little blue box sells baguettes, croissants, bacon rolls, I suppose, during the week. And here's the station. Crick deco. Of course, the sun will cause a problem. There goes a fast train. No, don't believe me. It went quite fast. Here it comes. 2 coaches going to Aylesbury. And this is the outside of Gerrards Cross Station. Make sure I don't get run over. And this is the other side of the station. So this is the 0949 back to Marylebone, starting from Gerrards Cross. Interestingly enough, this train does stop at both Denham and Denham Golf Course, and all the stops, North Holt Park, West Ruislip, South Ruislip, all of them. I haven't called at the stations in Zone 6 because I can use my rail card and it will take too long, and also it doubles up the central line as well. So I'll just watch the train go through Gerrards Cross Tunnel and then retire to the station for my train. So here comes 10:04, going to Banbury. So I'm only going one stop to Seer's Green in Jordan. Or was it Jordan's? Not sure. So there we go, Seer, Green and Jordan's. I am here for 1 hour to catch the next train out. What am I going to do? Anyway, let's have a look. I did look up the Gerrards Cross Tunnel. Apparently what it was, Tesco's put in plan permission to fill in the cutting to enable them to build a Tesco's on the store. The planning request got rejected by the council and the local public didn't want it. John Prescott overruled it and they started building it in 2003, I think they said, and it collapsed. No one was hurt, nobody was injured. A train had to put an emergency stop on. Anyway, it got finally finished in 2010, and they believe that it was the collapse was caused to the inadequacy of the backfilling the tunnel. Fascinating. This is one of the stations here, the golf course, and this is the outside of the station. Right. Okay, so I've got just under an hour to wait, find something exciting to do, and then I'll speak to you later. Okay, so it's about an hour later. It's now 11:05, and the station is beginning to become more active. We have a number of passengers over there waiting for the 11:07 train to Marylebone. Whilst on this platform we have one passenger who's standing there. This field.
Train at platform 2 is the 11:06 service to London Marylebone.
And I've been sitting on that bench over there in the sun, and I've discovered that I haven't got enough clothes on, and I'm going to get very cold at football.
Service to London Marylebone.
Here it comes. Just realised that the platforms are numbered the other way around. Normally you'd have the line going into London being platform 1 and the line out of London being platform 2. Goodness me, it's a busy train. Whereas in fact this is the other way around. A couple more passengers have arrived on this one. Well, I don't know, there's a man and his baby, so whether they're 2 passengers or just looking at trains, I don't know. A few people got off that train. Well, some more passengers arrived. My train. Only going to the next stop. And then I've got another, I think, about half an hour or 40 minutes wait there. Ugh. So 3 minutes later I've arrived at Beaconsfield, where I've got a 29-minute wait for the next train. And this is the station. It's got a huge, big car park down the end there. Let's go and have a look outside. So this is outside outside platform 1. So this is the other side of the station building, platform 2. Very complicated way of getting out the station. As I've got an Edge Zone 6 ticket and I'm splitting my journey, I can't put it through the barriers. So you have to go through this sort of maze of gates and doors, and the lady in the ticket office lets you out. At the station today, or now I should say, is the arrival of the next train to London. All going last minute Christmas shopping. I've just had a walk through Beaconsfield High Street looking for a Greasy Spoon cafe where I could get a bacon sandwich and a cup of tea, but no such luck. So here comes my train, the 11:43 to High Wycombe. And my last train of this little exercise. Aylesbury service. Eric's supposed to be on this train. Okay, so arrived at High Wycombe. Train departing now for Aylesbury. Staggered station, this one, with a bay platform. So this is the bay platform, platform 1. Platform 2. And across the far side there. Where all the passengers are is platform 3. And here's a nice heritage sign. There used to be a subway from platform 2 to platform 3, but no longer. So that completes today's trip.
Is the 11:57 service to London Marylebone.
This is the outside of High Wycombe railway station and the bus station.